The warp needs to be stretched taut. One end is fixed to a G-clamp or tied firmly to a post. The other end is tied to a belt around the waist of the weaver. You need to find a comfortable place to weave. Ideally, the fixed end of the warp should be higher than the weaving end. I use a warping post attached to a windowsill. Divide the warp into 2 equal sections, and then we take the 2 sections around the backstrap at the waist. Now, it's essential that the warp ends are all at the same tension. So we stroke the threads. Then put the warp over the backstrap. You need to adjust the warp until the heddle is level when resting on the warp. If you pull one side and then the other, you will see the heddle will rock. Wait until you've got it so that it's horizontal and level on the warp, and then you can tie a knot and a bow, and you're now set up for weaving. If you neglect this adjustment, your band may turn out to be banana shaped. Use narrow, thin sticks as spacers at the start of the band. This helps to show up any uneven tension which can be corrected before weaving starts. Lift the heddle, insert the stick into the first shed. The shed is the space between the 2 layers of warp threads. Now lower the heddle and insert another stick into the second shed. We're now ready to start weaving. Lift the heddle, insert the shuttle from left to right and leave a long tail of weft on the left. Lower the heddle, insert the shuttle from right to left and take this loose end through to the right side. You can now pull both ends of weft so that it will pull in the warp ends. This double weft secures the end of the band so that it won't unravel. I will now weave a few picks so you can see the sequence. I will now show the weave sequence in detail. Raise the heddle, open the shed, insert shuttle and beat. Take the shuttle through and pinch the side of the band on the left and tug the weft towards the left and then adjust by pulling the weft through. Lower the heddle, insert shuttle, beat, take the weft through, you pinch and pull slightly to the right and then you take the weft through. And that's the weave sequence.